Alright, back here on Joey's Mustang, getting ready to pull the engine out, unfortunately. I've got the coolant draining now. Just kind of getting a jump from Monday, because this motor will be out Monday and on the stand. So, get the coolant drained. Thought I could get the hoses off quick this morning. Because usually Friday, Scotty and I are over at Wicken Alley's. They're coming back into town because they had an event in Orange County last night. So they're coming in this morning. So a little time to spend. So we're going to get a little jump on the work week next week. Get this drained and part way apart. Maybe get a couple pieces for Jordan's motor painted. Do some billing, you know, the usual. Right, and in a matter of moments, we have everything off of the engine. The cooling system is drained and the radiator is out. Carburetor is off. Wiring is all disconnected and routed up and out of our way. So it will stay put here in the car. Heater hoses are disconnected. I think all we have to undo really is that cable there and the two mount nuts, and it's out. So that gave us a good jump for Monday.